Hello, I am James, your Shaken Messenger Experience Ambassador. Join me for our immersive look into the world of smart fat burning technology. Before use, please read the protective film notes. Before use, peel off the screen protector and the Ultrasonics head electrostatic film. The Shaken Messenger was thoughtfully designed with users around the world in mind. There are two belt extensions available to accommodate different body types. The short belt extension measures approximately 300 mm and the long belt extension measures approximately 700 mm. You can choose the one of the best suit your waist size and comfort preference. Different belt lengths also allow family members to share the same device easily. For my body size, the 700 mm extension fits perfectly. Let's get started. The middle of the device features a flexible joint that adjusts freely from 70 degrees to 120 degrees. It works together with the belt for a more ergonomic fit and comfortable use. Since these air pressure bands should not come into contact with water or be raised directly, the washable covers make cleaning easy and convenient to use. Before attaching the extension belt, remove the washable cover, sleeves and place them over the air pressure bands on both sides of the device. When threading the extension belt through the main unit, there are two ways to secure the belt. You can wrap the belt around your waist from the back, thread in through the Velcro loop, adjust the thickness to fit your body, then press the Velcro hook and loop together to secure it. The second method is similar. After changing the straps thickness around the body, you can directly attach the belt to the Velcro hook for quicker fastening. And that's it. Now let's power it on and experience it together. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. Select your preferred language. I'll choose English for now. Once powered on, the Bluetooth will activate automatically. If you prefer to use the waist belt on its own without connecting to the smartwatch, you can turn off Bluetooth. You can press any button to exit pairing mode. Let's first try using the waist belt independently. Remove clothing from the sculpting area before use and ensure the device in direct contact with the skin. When powered on for the first time, the Shaken Messenger automatically starts in body sculpting mode. It also features intelligent memory, which means it will remember and start in the same mode you last used. After turning it on, press the M button briefly to switch modes. The Shaken Messenger offers 3 workout modes to choose from. First, the body sculpting mode. This mode accelerates fat burning to help to tone your abs effectively. Second, we have the massage mode. It feels like a gentle hand kneading over your core area, and it is warm, soothing, and deeply relaxing. This is ideal for use after workouts or a long, tiring day. Lastly, the heat therapy mode. It is mode to relieve tension and discomfort, especially during your menstrual cycle or whenever your lower back feels stiff. Enjoy a deep, comforting warmth that soothes tired muscles. To cater the different needs, each mode includes 3 adjustable intensity levels. Press the power button briefly to switch between them. Let's try it out. The intensity level also features intelligent memory, so the device will automatically start at the same level you last used. Since the Shaken Messenger is sold globally, it supports 8 different languages. To change the language, press and hold the Mode M button for 5 seconds to enter the language menu. Press M to cycle through language and tap the power button to confirm your selection. After use, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds while the device is on to turn it off. A quick reminder, if you don't plan to use the device for an extended period, be sure to turn off the power and recharge it every 3 months to maintain optimal battery health.